Are you ready to turn a plain journal into something magical? Watch this video and learn how to trace, design, and transform this cover into a textured, eye catching masterpiece. Welcome to my channel. In order to give this journal a nice look, I choose this beautiful image I got from an Italian magazine. It was about hair care and I really loved it. So in this case, I'm going to use tacky glue. These two birds are awesome. Let me just go in the borders. And I want to do something different to hold this and to decorate this image using hot glue all the way around. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around of the image, making a border that is also be part of the decoration. We can always decorate it and paint it. This is the idea I had. So that, all right. Let's leave the birds for the end. Use a brush sometimes. This is going to be useful for decoration and also to keep the image on place. Before the glue gets dry, you can always come with a brush and give the glue the shape or the path you want it to have, right? All right, so this is it. And I'm gonna go around the birds and around this little area here of the hair. Nice. And let's do both birds in the same bubble. And then I have the little feet. I'm going to use a thinner brush and this gold metallic paint to go on top of the glue. I'm gonna go only around on top of the hot glue to give it a little bit of this shiny gold color. Make sure that you take away all the little glue hairs so you don't have any obstacle on your way while painting. Right, it looks good to me. Let's see, I have more glue around here. I hope it dries. We are just testing something new. This is really new. And I'm using fabric paint. And I need only this side. You know what? I don't know in the camera, but here in person, it looks really good. It looks great. It's something different and it's nice. Yeah, baby. I need to do a little bit more on the birds. That's the paint I'm using. I just need to follow the glue, like to trace around the birds and this little part. It's gonna take time, but it's fine. This is gonna take a little while. I can always clean the borders with wet brush. Right. Or a napkin. Yeah. Actually, not bad. It looks like glitter. I mean, this gold, if I allow it to go on the cover, it's like it gives a shine or something. Let's see. Let's try it here. Yeah, we can always do that too. Let me bring it closer so you can observe better. And this is the result. You see? You see how it looks like? And then inside, when I open it, it perfectly matches with the color and meaning of the envelopes I have here. Right now, you just get the idea and you're gonna move on knowing that you can use your hot glue to create a border and then to cover that border with a shiny gold paint. I hope you like this video. I hope you enjoy this new technique or this application of the technique that probably you have seen in lamps, in crystals, in glasses. But now I'm using it on a cover of a journal. Leave me a comment down below telling me if you're going to use it and what do you think about this beautiful image. Don't go away without subscribing to my channel. Leave me a thumbs up and leave me a comment because I'm pretty sure I'm gonna read you. For sure, I'm gonna read your comment. Thanks for watching, and I see you pretty soon in my next creative episode. Bye, friends. Bye bye. Bye, friends. Take care.